Welcome at the Amsterdam Drone Week. Can you explain the need for the Port of Rotterdam to get involved in this drone industry?
Well, the Port of Rotterdam has 3,000 companies in the port, and we see that many of those companies now are requesting drone services for several use cases. But we see a great increase in the demand of these drone services. So we see a lot of operators also working in the port area, offering these services to our clients.
Are the rules? Do you set the rules, or is it the Dutch government that set the rules?
Partly it's the Dutch government who sets the rules. They give the permissions to fly. We check if an operator has the correct permission to fly before we allow them to fly in the port area. If an operator wants to fly in the port area, that is only possible if he's flying in this specific category. He applies for, he does a request for an area to fly at this moment. And our system, our UTM system, the unmanned traffic management system that we use from the company Airways, gives a check if there is no conflict with other operators and immediately confirms the flight, and the drone operator can take off.
So actually, the Port of Rotterdam is one of the few areas where this testing is taking place at the moment.
There are some more areas, but very few of them. We are one of the first to start and trial this Airspace, how it's called.
Yeah, and are these pilots, or are these business cases already?
At the moment, it's a pilot. We want to trial what it takes to make the theory that is behind Airspace, put it into practice in a fully operational area, and what it takes to have the full final Airspace in place.
And how does Amsterdam Drone Week affect your work?
Amsterdam Drone Week is important because it brings together a lot of people, and those people all discuss together and try to find solutions for things that need to be solved. And also it showcases new technology. And what you see now is that there's a lot of positive feeling towards the future. A few years ago you noticed that there was a lot of hesitation, doubt, saying there's no regulation in place, etc. Now it's really a positive feeling, because there's a lot of development going on, both on the technical side as also on the demand side. And so yeah, and that is what is all brought together in Amsterdam Drone Week.
Yeah, and what do you consider the most which of the solutions you see in the Port of Rotterdam is having success, the most chance on success?
We see a lot of measurements going on in the port, measurements of dry bulk cargo stocks, measurements of large building projects, measurements of what have you, traffic on terminals, for instance. So that's one part. The other part is inspections. That is done, the inspection of assets. We see a lot of marketing going on, new ships coming into the port. And we will soon see use cases that will benefit the port call, make the port call more efficient, more quicker, by means of drones. Package deliveries, for instance, or cargo sampling, transport services. Yeah.